fast release locking pliers from Vise-Grip. This is the 10FR. It's the up-to-date version of this one, the 10R. Adjust, snap on, release. Spot the difference. Superficially the same tool, but with soft grip handles and no release trigger, allowing for one-handed operation, like this. This one is the 10CR, and it will not slip because the lower jaw moves to maximize grip, like this, and because the new high compound leverage built into the tool. Again, soft grip handles and no release trigger, allowing for one-handed work. Offer it up to this tube. The tool adapts to find the optimum position. Snap shut. Not much pressure there. And stand on it. See, no budge. And snap it off.